Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see what is the easiest way to set up TikTok privacy. So let's head over to a TikTok application first. Once you are there, just let me head over to my home page. And once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And once you are there, just tap all the three lines on the top right. And from this layout, select Settings and Privacy. Now you'll find the privacy option in the account section. Head over to Privacy. Now select, you can see the private account option. Now it is said that with the private account, only people you approve can view your profile and posts. Existing followers won't be affected. So you have to turn on your private account to set up your privacy, and you can also change your status to your account to others, from contacts to Facebook friends or people who open or send links to you. And you can also just change your location services too. So, and there are some options of delete messages and following and followers list. So yeah, this is how you can just set up your TikTok privacy in 2025 version. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.